Here I am finally with the Lenga on, and I must say, like always RAAS Lengas never disappoint. Like I said, it feels very comfortable. The lining underneath, the stitches, it all just feels super comfortable to wear. And as a dancer myself, I love wearing things that are comfortable, and I love dancing in things that are comfortable. Especially Lengas can get really complicated when you're dancing, but with this, it has the flare. The cancan is also very manageable. It's not super heavy, which is really nice. And this one has pockets, which Lengas don't have pockets, so I am really excited about this one because I don't have to carry a purse or anything. I could literally just put my phone in the pocket, which is really nice. But I think what's more exciting about this Lenga is that we could wear it in so many different ways. But the first style that I always like to go with is I just like to take one end of it, just put it in there, and then take the second one, and then this is just the classic Lenga look that never fails to disappoint. Again, I'll give you a 360 turn. And yeah, I think it's a stunning look, and I would so wear this like at a Sangeet event or like a wedding for sure. Like definitely a very go-to outfit for a wedding. Now, while you can wear this dupatta just like this, I want to try something different today. I've never really done this before, but I think especially as a dancer, when you're dancing at these weddings, I want my dupattas to be secured. There's been so many times when I'm dancing and my dupatta is falling all over the place. So I'm going to use a belt today and secure my dupatta by my waist. So let me go put this on really quickly and I'll be right back. So here is a Lenga with the belt on. I have the dupatta right here. I've got it pinned, and I'm also wearing the belt around my waist. Again, the belt has the mirror work, which adds a lot of personality to the dress. Again, as a dancer, this is definitely a go-to look because my dupatta is not going to be falling all around on the dance floor, which is super convenient. But here's the 360 look. I'm in love with it, 10 out of 10. But you could also wear this dupatta in various ways, and you could use this belt in various ways. So let me show you the next way to wear the same dupatta and the belt. I'll be right back. So here's this next look. This is a Lenga turned into a gown. So I have the dupatta still here. I took the center and pinned it in the back, and then I still got the belt. Again, this belt is coming in clutch because there's so many different ways you could style the dupatta with the belt. So I got the belt here, and again, this is something very different. I've never tried this look before, but this is definitely the next reception look for sure that I'm going for. But yes, again, you could still see the back here. I love the blouse pattern, so I like this look especially because then you could see the backless blouse, which is really nice. But let me give you a 360 360 spin of this Lenga. But yes, definitely a go-to 10 out of 10 Lenga look. But there's one more, and this one is my favorite that I really want to show you guys. So let's try that one. Okay. So here's the next look. I have the dupatta on as a cape, and then I also have the belt here to kind of secure it so it doesn't fall everywhere. But this is giving me very elegant vibes. I would definitely love to wear this at a reception. I can still spin and have the flare, which is super nice. But I'd love to wear this like at a reception or like a wedding dinner. Love this. Again, 10 out of 10. And there are still other ways you could style this though. So let's try another way that we can style this Lenga. Here's the last look. I personally love this look. This is one of my favorite authentic look that I always go for. It's just taking the two sides of the dupatta and just pinning it up here. This reminds me of like a typical bridesmaid look. But yes, I love wearing my dupatta like this. I feel like it adds a lot of elegance to the look as well. But again, you can see the back, which is really nice. So again, a 360 spin, and you still have the flare, which is really nice, but love wearing the dupatta like this. So that was various ways that you could style this one Lenga from RAAS. the jacket, and obviously the yellow dupatta, the blue dupatta. You could even do it with the gold dupatta. I mean, there's so many various ways you could wear it, but it's definitely a one piece that could go with so many different looks. So definitely a must buy and a must definitely check it out, but love it, and I hope you guys like it as well. Thank you.